What's going on? This is Adam Fitza, lead builder, fabricator, crew chief, and driver for OTSFF Off-Road. Today we're going to show you some of our vehicles. We have a 2020 Polaris RZR Turbo S along with our Terra Dynamics chassis 6100 spec trophy truck driven by Andre Lauren.
Racing a vehicle became the culture that I was around. You know, the guys that I met and that I was around in the freight forwarding industry, they were car guys. They weren't snowmobile and bike guys. So I kind of followed their path instead of them dragging into my world. I think this truck racing thing tops the bucket list on what I've wanted to achieve in life and do.
So we just got done prepping these vehicles and we're super excited to have you guys out to go drive them around in our backyard and have some fun. The 6100 I fully tore down, redid after our first race in January, the Pahrump 250. So it's ready to go. We'll go shake it down, do some testing, and make sure everything's A-OK for the next race.
I'm doing things with the truck that these other guys haven't figured out, and we're beating them in holes and roughness, and that's so cool to pass somebody in 8-foot holes at 100 miles an hour. It's badass.
So this is our 2019 6100 spec trophy truck, engineered and designed by Terra Dynamics that we built in-house. We totally prepped it, set it up, put all the coolers in it, the plumbing, everything in-house, and first race tore it up at the Mint 400. It's been a super fun project of ours, and Andre, the driver of record, has enjoyed every minute of it. We've had a blast. We have an awesome finishing streak, finished 4th place in points 2019, best in the desert, overall out of 36 trucks. So I feel like we've had a pretty successful few years racing, and our team is awesome. Inside here's our cockpit. Turbo 400 3-speed transmission, 530 horsepower LS3 engine. We got, of course, PRP safety products, PRP steering wheel. The driver, all he's looking at right now is a GPS. The passenger, our navigator, he'll look over all the vitals, make sure everything's going, tell the driver where to go, what to do, when to go fast, when to go slow. We got Toyo tires. They keep our traction to the ground along with the Vision wheels. They take all the abuse we can throw at them. Jamar hubs and brakes, unbelievable 6-piston brakes. All the suspension is designed in-house along with the steering. The Fox shocks take all the dampening that we need them to. Rigid Industries lights the way. This is a new light bar, fully GPS capable, so it changes light pattern as we're driving. Slow speed to high speed, it changes. Unbelievable, it's badass. We could walk over to this 2020 Polaris RZR Turbo S. Started life as a 4-seater. I tore it down, built a custom 2-seat conversion cage, again with the PRP safety equipment, rigid lights. We have KWT air filter particulate system, which is awesome. Vision wheels, Toyo tires. So this thing again was built in-house. We designed it, we raced it, ended up racing the UTV World Championship last October, started 28th, finished 5th. So for its debut race, I feel the top 5 was awesome, and we're excited to race this thing more this year. Typical weekend at the Fitzas. We wake up, make some breakfast. What else do we do? Sometimes Daddy works. Then we have some fun. We always like having fun on the weekends.
This is the hour, the darkest place.
Can you hear the sizzling? That's kind of cool.
Devil's maze. It's a good world.
We usually wake up early, cook some breakfast, and then Dakota and Kelsey will get up and enjoy it and eat it, because they always sleep in.
Where we stumble around, trying to find or be found. In a
Typical daily routine, I'll wake up after breakfast, come in the office, check my emails, get everything done on top of racing and prepping vehicles. Andre and I also own a logistics company, international freight forwarding, so always got to stay on top of that, check the emails, make sure everyone's happy and we're making money, so everything's good. So I'll stay in here for a few hours, normally early in the morning up until about mid-morning, and then off to the garage I'll go and work on the race cars. All right, I'm going to the garage to work, so finish your homework, then you can come outside and play, okay?
Okay.
Had a super fun day driving and testing the truck and the Razor. Unfortunately, I ran out of talent and put the thing on its side, so we're gonna swallow my pride and have some fun tonight, have a few cold ones, barbecue some steak, and hang out with some friends, you know? So, shit happens. Ending an awesome day by barbecuing some steaks, had fun in the trucks with the crew. We're gonna hang out with some friends, have some cold ones. Thanks for hanging out. What's going on? I'm Adam Fitza with OTSFF Off-Road. Fuck, I second hate this shit. There's gonna be a good outtake thing, huh? Lead mechanic, fabricator, builder, and driver for OTSFF Off-Road. Or that, I said OTSFF twice. See, now I'm fucking thinking too much. Okay. Cut.
Let's do it once again, just so we have it.
What's going on? This is Adam Fitza. Oh, fuck. I have it in my mind. Chill.
This one? No.
Don't laugh, Braylon. She was cracking up, dude. Car's on its side, and she goes, "Haha, Dad, you rolled."